So we're here in the hamburger stand. So, Mr. Rad, what can you say about the seller of burger?
Yan nga na, Troy.
Sir, sir, I'm asking, what can you say about the burger?
Hello.
Sir Melchor, what can you say about the...
It's kind of yummy, but there's a lot
And
of sauce.
please, louder, louder.
It's yummy, but
so fucking
there
bad.
is so a lot of sauce, so...
Yeah,
that's
so
not
we can
good.
eat
Yeah.
very well, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Casas, what can you say about the seller of the burger?
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. Matagal ka naman.
Because, well, watch this video on YouTube because I will upload it later, okay?
Okay.
So, what can you say about the proclamation of Philippine independence? What can you say?
I think this is very important to the country because
Please louder. Because independence is what we need. Yeah?
Yeah.
We have freedom. So we can
Yeah.
retain freedom and we
fight for the freedom.
yeah, so democracy country, right?
Yeah.
So if Philippines is a democracy country, so we can sex all day all night.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Right.
what can you say about the proclamation of 1975?
It's good because it is a free country and we can fuck all night, yeah.
Oh, yeah, so Mr. Jandil, what can you say? Wait, what can you say about the abusing of Ralph's power? If you recall, he always punch your head like that, right? So what can you say about that?
No, not like that, like this.
So what can you say about that?
I curse him that he will die forever.
He will live forever.
Oh,
wait,
your English is so natangkin, man.
So what can you say about the the opinion of Mr. Jandil?
You know, I will turn your teeth into black and then you will not eat, the fat of a pig, the yung pilalas, your kabagyan, the yung